Today we are at the Stamford Plaza Sydney Airport Hotel, and it was actually voted Sydney's best airport hotel for 9 consecutive years. So let's have a look what it's like. When we first walk in, we're greeted with this beautiful staircase. It was definitely a feature as we first walked in. So this hotel is located 1 kilometre from the domestic terminal and 3 kilometres away from the international airport. So it just took us a quick 14-minute walk. La Boca is the name of the in-house dining here at the hotel, and it offers Argentinian cuisine. The dining room is fun and colourful. Back in the foyer, this screen added a nice dynamic touch to the lobby. It was time to head upstairs and check out our room. Through the corridors, we noticed it was quite dark, but there were beautiful arrangements of flowers which added a nice touch. Conveniently, you'll find ice machines built into the wall. We are at the Stamford Plaza in Sydney Airport. We've just checked in. Let's have a little room tour, shall we? So we've got the 2 beds. These actually look quite small. 2 double beds. Beautiful artwork behind them. Very nice centerpiece in the middle. That's actually a really nice table. It's got glass on top. You've got your alarm clock, lamp, telephone. Just behind us, we've got the TV. Looks to be a nice flat screen with a study desk underneath, chair, lamp. You've got 2 power points, always handy for charging. We're always wanting to charge stuff. Looks like there's 1 power point by the side of the bed as well. And then in the middle, you've got a spare one that's not being used by the lamp. So there's a few power points around, which is good. Luggage spot, always handy. But one good thing is there seems to be a lot of space on the ground near the window. Because there's 4 of us travelling, we need a lot of space to lay down our stuff. Looking out the window, we've got a nice view of the Qantas hangar. Might be able to see a little bit of plane servicing going on. Not the prettiest of view, a lot of construction happening, but that's okay. Over here we have a large cupboard, a lot of hanging space, a safe, 2 drawers, clothes hangers. We've got the ironing board in case you need to do some last minute ironing, with an iron, a hairdryer, spare pillow, extra toilet paper. We've got the mirror, kettle. Looks like, ooh, maybe mini fridge in here. Yeah, you've got a little mini bar drawer. Should we have a little look at the fridge, see what space we've got? So it doesn't look like a weighed fridge, so you would be able to use that as you please. Let's head on to the bathroom. They do have an air conditioner control unit, so that's good. We've got the bathroom. I feel like it's a very low ceiling, I think, because it's different to what we've got at home. We've got the shower hook, so you could hang some towels or a dressing gown. Does this move? Oh, yes, okay, so we've got a movable shower door. Keep some of that water in. 2 soap holders, which is good, and that converts into a bath. Personally, I don't think I would have a bath in here. I don't know, the grip on the ground just kind of looks a little bit grotty to me. I wouldn't want to be, I don't know, might leave that. Over here we've got a nice mirror, 2 bright lights. We've got a shampoo, conditioner, body cleanser and body cream, tissues, sink. Sink looks quite clean. Toilet, phone next to the toilet. Toilet paper, spare towels. At least, I'm gonna say, a good thing about this space is that they've actually got a spot for hanging towels. We always struggle with that, so that's nice. They've got a little towel hanger. Small little bathroom, but looks quite clean. Carpet looks quite clean. Again, quite a dark space, but that's quite common with a lot of hotel rooms. I think at night, like when This is shut. Quite dark, but it's good. One thing that was a little bit strange is that the bed curtain, whatever you...
Valance.
That one is not central, so it's very small and short on this side, exposing the mattress, and very long on the other side. But that's just if we're being picky. After checking out the hotel room, we thought we would explore and see what else was on other levels of the hotel. On level 2, you'll find the fitness centre. The gym is equipped with a variety of training equipment, including some free weights, heavy lifting machines, and cardio exercise machines. As you head on out, you'll find the pool. The pool was a beautiful space. It was bright, it was blue, it was very sunny and looked very appealing. Although you will hear that there is a lot of heavy air traffic. I'm going to play some live sound for you now. But don't worry, if you're a fan of aviation travel, it won't be an issue. In the lobby, you'll find a departure board as well as an express checkout box for a speedy departure. The morning buffet breakfast is held in the restaurant. It's available 7 days a week, starting at 6 a.m. and concluding at 10 a.m. You'll find a variety of hot foods, including bacon, eggs, baked beans, hash browns, as well as a variety of cereals, bakery items, and fruit.